Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you email monster review. Guys, this is my honest review, so don't skip this video. Guys, I'm going to show you a step by step all the information about this software email monster. Okay, and end of the video I will give you best email monster alternative 100% free. So guys, stay tuned. So what is email monster? This says email monster is world's first AI-based email structure, finds most converting emails in 30 seconds flat. Okay, get highest delivery rate, sensational open rates, import unlimited emails, send unlimited leads, collect unlimited emails with inbuilt SMTP server. I never believe guys this type of software they launch that's called is email monster and goes live on this software 13th of August and creator Rudy Rudra. Okay guys, why I never believe this type of software, I'm going to show you details. Okay, here is you can see the price is $17. Not only $17, the software have lots of upsells and downsells. If you purchase one time, if you purchase this front-end offer, this is the front-end offer, $17, then they push you can purchase their upsell one, then they push you can get their upsell number 2, a downsell or something like that. This type of software have lots of audios guys. Okay, and you can see the claim. This says actually find unlimited emails in one click, send unlimited emails, import unlimited emails, unlimited lists and leads built in SMTP server, boost your open rates, get highest delivery rate, premium email templates, get premium training and 24/7 support, beginner friendly. But I never guys believe this. This is the, if you purchase this type of garbage software, you will lose your money actually, and this type of software never work for you, and they share their earning proof. Have a look at the power of email monster. 100% false information they share guys. Okay, actually they sells this type of software, the creator, the founder Rudy Rudra, but this person never used this software. Okay, they use like get response, click panels, and convert kit, or an MSIP, or Sandalin, this type of autoresponder or however, but they sells this type of software. Okay guys, unlimited list building, 24/7 they support, they never support you guys. Okay, and this is the 100% fake testimonial. You can see this face, this person fake, 100% fake, never purchase this software because this software goes live on 13th of August. So why he used this software before? Okay, you know, and you can see guys, this is my honest review. I never share bad information that will kill your business and that will lose your money actually. And here you can use email monster to grow your business and blah blah blah. They share lots of info and also they will give you bonus, and here is everything what you will get. $8,000, but today only $17. This is the false information, and they actually put this information for scarcity. Okay guys, okay, you can see this is the creator, and here is also frequent asked questions. Do you provide support? Yes, they will provide supports, but you never get supports. Okay guys, right now I am going to show you my system that I use. that you can use totally free, lifetime free, not 1 month, 14 days or 15 days trial. That's called is systeme.io. The founder of this tool, this is the best ClickFunnels alternative right now. You will be able to send unlimited emails. You will be able to add your own custom domain totally free, guys. Okay, you can see the link in my video description below, getfree.systeme.io. When you click the link, you can see this page and you can see the lifetime free account at systeme.io link is here. And here is what you can do with systeme.io. You will be able to build sales panels totally free. How many sales panels you will be able to create, I'm going to show you guys all the information. Just grab this tool, okay, before reading all the information that I put here, and also download 50 plus Systeme.io free premium templates for different business sectors. You can use these templates as lead magnets to get emails, or you can customize them to create your own website or sales panel depending on the business sector you are in. Okay guys, right now I am going to show you the pricing of this tool, systeme.io. You can see this is the systeme.io. Get free account, link in my video description below. Never forget to create your own account on this platform, systeme.io. And this is the only one tool you need to launch your online business, and free forever, no credit card required. Right now I'm going to show the pricing, and this pricing section you will see all the information. If you join free, you can see guys, I'm going to introduce the free plan. Okay, the contacts, you will be able to manage 2000 contacts. This is the free plan. You can see start for free. And email sends, you will be able to send unlimited emails. Sales panels 3, you will be able to create 3 sales panel if you still using their free plan. And sales panel step is 10 blocks. Guys, if you steal their free plan on systeme.io tool, you can also create your own one blog, and blog post is unlimited, no limited guys. This is the opportunity for you. You will be able to create unlimited blog post if you use systeme.io. And courses also, you can run your online business. This platform guys, totally easy to use. I personally use these, and lots of my customer use these guys. Okay, this is awesome tool and very easy to use. And if you use their free plan, also they will provide 24/7 support. Okay guys, so this is the best tool. You can see the one line. Okay, I never see this type of tool that will provide free information, the free opportunity to start your online business. Just I'm going to show you the features right now here. And here is the students, unlimited students. You can add your course, and file storage space unlimited, just free plan. Automation rules is 1, workflows is 1, tax is 1, email campaigns is 1, one click upsell 1, order bumps 1, A/B test 1, coupon codes 1, deadline funnels yes, all the plan is yes, Stripe integration yes, PayPal integration yes, and assistant accounts unlimited. And what a opportunity guys, you can run your own affiliate program just if you use their free plan on systeme.io. And custom domain 1, you can also add one custom domain. And evergreen webinars, no, evergreen webinars available only webinar plan and unlimited plan, you can see. And one-in-one kickstart coaching session, no. And this is the 2 limited features you can see here, but all the features is available on free plan. And you can see the pricing is very low. Startup pricing is $27 per month. Webinar plan is $47 only per month. And unlimited plan is $97 per month. Guys, also you can see my link. If you create this account through via my link, you will see this. Hey guys,
I'm Natasha
okay,
from the systeme.io team, and in this online training
you can see, guys, 30% discount link here. When you click here, the link in my video description below, you can see the pop-up. Okay, you can see a pop-up message here, and you can see the 30% discount on webinar plan or unlimited plan, or also you can see the startup plan is 30% less. Okay, so this is the opportunity, guys. You can see the systeme.io and all the phasers. When I'm clicking here phasers, you can see all the phasers. Stop using a different tool for every part of your online business, because this is the only one tool on the marketplace right now that totally free. You can start your online business. I recommend, guys, do you have online business, or if you want to create your own online business, just using this free tool, I recommend you all the tools you need under the same roof, like sales panels, email marketing, website builder, affiliate program management, business automation, evergreen webinars, or something like that, guys. Okay, blogging, create sales panels, trusted by 10,000 plus users worldwide. Funnel builder, make everything super simple and easy to use, replaces cart track, click panels, Kajabi, lead pages, builder all, and send marketing emails, like replaces Mailchimp, active campaign, ConvertKit, trusted 10,000, build websites, easily create your website using proven drag and drop system, guys. No difficulties, you can see here. This is the easy to use system. Create online courses. Believe me, guys, this is an awesome platform that you can use totally free. So the best alternative of email monster. So I highly recommend, click the link in my video description below if you want, and you can enjoy this. I hope this video will help you, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Stay safe. Thank you. See you soon my next video.